We're going to put this in standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. Basically, standard form is all the stuff with variables is on the left side and there's a constant on the right side. But in this case, we're starting from the very beginning with 2 points. I have to start with slope, use point slope form first to get some kind of an equation, and then I'll move that equation around with algebra to make it look like this. So starting with slope, x1, y1, x2, y2, pull out the slope formula, take care of the double negatives, and there we have our slope is -1. Now I'm going to pull in point slope form right now, and I'm going to use the first point. There we go. All right, so I had y minus a -3 equals -1 is the slope times x minus a +4. I use this first point. The double negatives turn into a plus, and then when I run the distributive property through on the -1, -1 times x is -1x. I just wrote -x here, and -1 times -4 is a +4. This is not in standard form. I need to add the x to both sides, and I need to subtract the 3 from both sides. I'll do both of those in one line to save space on my slide. So we end up with x plus y equals 1, and that is answer D.